The time has come, we gotta put the cover on the travel trailer. So you can pick these covers up online. You could use maybe something else, but I really like these covers because they breathe, they're light, and they work. All right, let's go put this up on the trailer. That is frozen. It's frozen. There's literally ice up here. I don't think that's gonna be safe. We might have to, I think we're gonna wait till the sun gets on this. That does not look good. There's some thought and some consideration. I figured, maybe I could just get this on top of the roof and crawl on top of the fabric, as the fabric is pretty sticky to the ice. So that's what I did. I went down the center and then felt it out. It was pretty comfortable. So then came back on the side here and it turned out. All right, even though the roof was very icy, crawling around on top of this fabric, it was kind of felty. It kind of reminded me of fly fishing boots, when you're in the river walking on slime. So lots of grip. Do I recommend it? No. But I was getting her done. All right, down to the bottom. Okay, we're gonna just go all the way around. All right, and the very back, and then we'll just start tying up some of these straps. It's on the side of the house, so it's not gonna go too far. These fabric covers are really nice. They stay dry underneath. The RV is bone dry underneath, and they breathe. So do I recommend them? Yeah, I highly recommend them, especially over a tarp. And if you're in the Pacific Northwest, it's worth the investment. They can save your RV. So one thing I'd like to do before the winter really sets in is up on the corners on the gutters, take a pool noodle, cut it, and just put a little chunk on there, and that'll stop it from ripping in the corner. So I'll do that a little bit later. Another thing I really like about these RV covers is they have zippers. So you can unzip a section and get in if you need to. All right, so that's it. Another job done. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.